Here's how to change video quality on YouTube. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your YouTube account. After signing into your YouTube account, now you have to play the video that you want to watch on YouTube in a high quality. If you want to enjoy your YouTube videos in high quality, then you have to tap on the video and where you will be able to view the various options. Tap on this gear icon at the top, then tap on the quality option. Here, select the highest resolution. Now you can enjoy your videos in full HD. Just you have to follow these steps. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to our channel.